Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about what is the snowflake stage and types of stages from the snowflake stage management. What is the snowflake stage? A stage in snowflake is an intermediate space where you can upload the files so that you can use the copy command to load or unload tables. In other words, a stage specifies where data files are stored, that is staged, so that the data in the files can be loaded into a table. Stages and file formats are named database objects that can be used to simplify and streamline bulk loading data into and unloading data out of database tables. Here we have to use the file formats along with the stages to load data into table or unloading data out of database tables. Types of Snowflake stages. Snowflake supports two types of stages for storing the data files used for loading or unloading purpose. They are the first one, the internal stages. Internal stages stores the files internally in Snowflake. And second one is the external stages. External stages stores the files in external location, that is Azure containers, S3 bucket or Google storage buckets. Both external and internal stages can include a file format and copy options. Now, types of internal stage. User stages, second one is the table stages, and internal named stages. So internal stages we have a three types. The first one is the user stage, second one is the table stage, third one is the internal named stages. From the internal named stages we can create permanent internal named stage or temporary internal named stages. By default, each user and a table in Snowflake is automatically allocated an internal stage for staging data files to be loaded. So, for each and every user, an internal stage will be created automatically, and also for the tables. File staging information is required during the both steps in the data loading process. Like, you must specify an internal stage input command when uploading files into Snowflake. You must specify the same stage in the copy into table command when loading data into a table from the staged files. File staging information required during the both steps in the data unloading process also. You must specify the internal stage in the get command when unloading files from Snowflake tables. You must specify the same stage in the copy into stage command when unloading data from a table to the staged files. That's all from this video, and we will see the how to create a internal stage and a external stage in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video.